Do you dream of walking down beautiful Parisian boulevards? Or owning a vineyard in the Champagne region? France is a beautiful country full of history, culture, and excitement. Many people want to immigrate to France. If you are moving to France, you'll want to spend some time learning at least a little bit of the French language. You'll need to be able to talk to people when you rent a property, find a job, order food in a restaurant, and in almost every other aspect of your life in France. Learning the language is crucial. In this video, we will discuss how to settle in France. Before we go any further, remember to smash that like button. Also, please subscribe to our channel if you have not done that yet. There are two different ways to get settled in France. Number 1. Moving to France for work. And number 2. Moving to France for studies. Contact a French consulate. You will need to request paperwork for the type of French visa that you wish to apply for. You'll probably want to start off by browsing the French embassy's website so that you can ask informed questions when you talk to the embassy officials. Most countries have French embassies where you can direct your questions. If you live in a larger country, like the United States, each region will have its own embassy. Unless you are a citizen of an EU member state, the first step for a move to France will generally be to request a tourist visa. This type of visa will allow you to stay in France for up to a year. If you are already a citizen of a country in the European Union, you don't need a visa to move to France. EU citizens have the right to live and work in any country within the European Union. Submit your visa application. If allowed, mail the completed visa paperwork to the French consulate closest to the city where you live. If you aren't allowed to submit your application by mail, you will need to make an appointment at the embassy to appear in person. Applications may include one or more passport photos, an application fee, a completed and signed visa application form, proof of health insurance, proof of financial support, any other requested documents, and your original passport. Wait for your visa. The embassy will either notify you that your visa is ready to be picked up in person, or they may send it to you in a prepaid shipping envelope if you supplied one. Your visa will be an official sticker on one of the pages of your passport. Find a job. When you arrive in France, you'll need to start working. This means that you should either start looking for a job before you leave or try to find one as soon as you arrive. Either way, you'll need to provide a resume and cover letter in French to potential employers. These have to be adapted to local standards, which can be different from your own country. Start surfing the internet to find some examples of what professional resumes look like. Whether you want to do it yourself or ask a professional to do it for you, you can review the different options online. Moving to France for studies. Find a program. One of the easiest ways to get a visa to France is for academic studies. You can apply directly to a French institution for a degree program or try to find an affiliate program with a university in your home country. Most schools offer overseas study or foreign exchange programs that send students to study at a French university for 1 or 2 semesters. Apply to study in France. Complete the application process for your studies. This means either applying directly to a French institution as a foreign student or applying to an overseas foreign exchange program through an affiliated foreign university. You will probably need to pay an application fee, write an application essay, provide official transcripts, and submit 1 or more letters of recommendation. Apply for a visa. Contact your local French embassy to apply for a visa. Students accepted to French institutions are eligible for student visas such as the long-stay visa for studies, which is required of all students who plan to reside in France for longer than 3 months. You'll need to make an appointment with the French embassy nearest you, submit your application and all the required documents, and wait to receive your visa once it has been approved. That concludes the video, folks. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to check out other videos on our channel, you might like them. I'll see you in the next video.